Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. We've got a 2023 SX195 by Yamaha. Just came in. This is 19 feet overall. Back on the swim deck. It's all C-deck matting. Got the boarding ladder tucked up underneath the back deck. It's powered with a supercharged Yamaha engine. This is the jet drive. There's a removable cushion in the center for a center walkthrough. Makes boarding easy in and out. Cooler. We've got twin captain chairs. We've got the bolster seat for the captain chair with a tilt steering wheel. We've got a cell phone holder, Bluetooth stereo system, removable carpet, ski locker down on the floor. We have storage underneath both consoles on the port and starboard side. Ample seating in the bow with speakers. Bimini top on this version. This is the 2023 Yamaha SX195 by Yamaha.